Hey everyone, factory update. We're in the EcoPod right now. We're using these pieces here as a support that's going to hold the ceiling of the EcoPod into place. So we've started fitting them around the perimeter up here, and we have the perimeter lines all the way through there right now. But we're going to put a kind of a track, crisscross track, so it has a really good base to connect to. So we're just finishing that. We should have this whole thing done, I would say, in the next 24 hours, next maybe 36, day and a half or so hours will be done. And then it'll look more like this room over here. So here you can see how the roof sections are crisscrossed like this. So we're, I think, ready probably by the end of the week. We're going to have the ceiling on, and then we can start doing that finishing. And then the way we do construction is you start from the ceiling and work your way down. So that's exciting. We'll have the ceiling up, and then we can get that finished, and then we can start working our way down. But we really need to get some all the special wiring that we're using, which is marine grade wiring. That hasn't come in yet, so that's delaying the development a bit. And right now things are really critical for timing. If we're missing one thing, then we almost can't go out of the step with the recipe. We have to have the wires so we can put them down, and then we need to put the roofing in. Then we need to work our way down from there. We can't put the roof in, close everything off, and then go back and do the wiring, because then it just makes a mess. So hoping to get those wires in very, very soon so that we can get this complete and keep on schedule, because right now we are a little bit behind schedule, so it's going to be a little touch and go. We'll see how things go, but so far we should make it.